As spring approaches, it's time to get your rental properties ready for the season ahead. Let's dive into our spring maintenance checklist to ensure your properties are in top shape. First up, inspect the exterior of your properties. Check for any signs of winter damage, such as cracked or peeling paint, loose shingles, or damaged siding. Addressing these issues early can prevent further damage and maintain your property's curb appeal. Next, it's essential to clean out gutters and downspouts. Over the winter months, debris like leaves and twigs can accumulate, leading to clogs and potential water damage. By clearing out gutters and ensuring proper drainage, you can protect your property from water infiltration and mold growth. Now let's move on to landscaping. Spring is the perfect time to spruce up your property's outdoor spaces. Trim overgrown bushes and trees, plant seasonal flowers, and refresh mulch or gravel beds. A well-maintained landscape not only enhances curb appeal, but also attracts quality tenants. Don't forget to inspect outdoor lighting fixtures. Replace any burnt-out bulbs and clean fixtures to ensure proper illumination and safety around your property, especially during the longer spring evenings. Inside your rental units, it's time for a thorough cleaning. Dust and vacuum all surfaces, including baseboards, ceilings, and light fixtures. Deep clean carpets and flooring to remove any winter grime and allergens. A clean and fresh interior sets the stage for happy and satisfied tenants. Spring is also an ideal time to service your HVAC system. Schedule a professional inspection and cleaning to ensure your heating and cooling systems are operating efficiently. Replace air filters as needed to maintain indoor air quality and reduce energy consumption. Don't overlook safety measures. Test smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms, and replace batteries if necessary. Check fire extinguishers for expiration dates and ensure they are easily accessible in case of emergencies. Now let's discuss some additional steps to take to ensure your rental properties are fully prepared for the spring season. Start by checking all plumbing fixtures and pipes for leaks or signs of damage. The winter months can be harsh on plumbing systems, so it's essential to address any issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Inspect faucets, toilets, and water heaters, and repair or replace any faulty components. Next, assess the condition of windows and doors. Look for drafts or gaps that could compromise energy efficiency. Replace weather stripping or caulking as needed to maintain a tight seal and prevent energy loss. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors to enhance insulation and reduce utility costs for your tenants. As the weather warms up, pests become more active. Take proactive measures to prevent pest infestations by sealing cracks and crevices around your property's exterior. Consider hiring a pest control professional to perform preventative treatments and keep pests at bay. Now is also an excellent time to review your lease agreements and rental policies. Consider implementing any necessary updates or revisions to ensure compliance with current regulations and address any issues that may have arisen during the winter months. Communicate any changes to your tenants clearly and transparently to maintain positive landlord-tenant relationships. Finally, take the opportunity to communicate with your tenants and address any concerns or maintenance requests they may have. Schedule regular property inspections to identify and address any issues proactively. By maintaining open lines of communication and addressing tenant needs promptly, you can foster a positive rental experience and retain high-quality tenants long-term. By following these additional steps, you can ensure that your rental properties are fully prepared for the spring season and provide a comfortable and enjoyable living experience for your tenants. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. And remember, if you're looking to sell your property quickly and hassle-free, we buy houses in any condition. Contact us today for a fair cash offer.